ProMaster's Video Light and Sound Kit is a great solution when you need to improve the quality of both your video and your audio when you're on an online class, a meeting, or when you're creating content with your smartphone. It includes 3 easy-to-use devices. The Basis Connect light that's included is really easy to use. There's only 2 knobs you have to worry about. The first one is your power and your dimmer, so this controls your brightness and darkness. And the second knob is your color temperature. So this allows you to adjust it from a warm amber tone to a cooler tone and anywhere in between. There's an integrated battery that gives you really long runtime, and if you're producing content or streaming a video call from your laptop, you can plug it into your USB port to keep it running continuously. The included Hitchhiker tripod acts as a tabletop light stand, and its height is adjustable too, so you can get up over even a large laptop screen. If you're recording content from your cell phone, there is an integrated smartphone holder right on top here in the head. It just flips out, place your smartphone in, and then there's a cold shoe on top where you can then place the light either facing you if you're recording content that way or away from you. The included microphone allows you to capture really high quality audio, and it includes all the cables that you need to plug it into your computer, your tablet, or into most smartphones. The Connect light has 3 cold shoes on either side of the light, so you can place the included microphone whichever way you would like. Now that we have the kit fully assembled, I can leave it set up as a tabletop tripod, or I can fold the legs together for really easy run and gun content creation. The entire kit is small enough to fit into a laptop bag, a purse, or a backpack, and if you purchased these components separately, you would pay about $120, but this complete kit is only $89.95.